Mahilig ka rin ba sa pizza, pasta, and coffee just like me? If the answer is yes, then let's talk about this hidden gem I found in Malolos. Yeah, I know, gasgas na yung hidden gem, but this one, I guess it's just fitting to say hidden kasi kung hindi mo talaga alam kung nasan to, hindi mo malalaman na meron palang pizza, pasta, coffee na masarap dito lang sa may loob mismo ng Victory Malolos Complex, Bright Sparks sa main tabi ng Robinsons Malolos. Welcome to RUG Coffee Shop and Pizzeria. We went here on a time na medyo papasko na kaya the place just screams Christmas and Yuletide season. Kaya medyo na-curious tuloy ako dun sa kanilang Christmas-themed pizza. At bilang pinag-uusapan na lang din naman natin yung pizza, no? This is actually not my first time trying their pizza kasi noong GA ng Bulacan Vloggers ay nag-sponsor din sila. Kaya ayun, natikman ko nga at talaga namang hinanap-hanap ko na lang din talaga yung lasa ng pizza nila because it was so good. At dahil napag-uusapan na nga lang din na masarap, syempre kailangan matikman natin yung mga bestsellers nila. To those people who really knows me, alam nila ni hindi ako mahilig sa coffee, but because Dalgona Coffee rang a bell, syempre, di ba, very reminiscent nung pandemic. Lahat ng tao halos gumawa ng Dalgona Coffee, di ba? And their take on this Korean viral coffee drink is really good. Definitely a must try. For starters naman, masarap yung classic Caesar salad nila. Fresh yung ingredients na ginamit, tapos I really like the dressing. Ito naman kanilang fish and chips, nagustuhan ko rin siya. Ang laki ng serving, grabe nagulat ako. At masarap din siya. They also have chicken wings platter. Tinignan namin yung garlic parmesan at saka yung buffalo flavor. I like that the chicken size is decent. Hindi siya masyadong maliit. Hindi rin naman masyadong malaki. We tried 2 flavors of their pizza. Yung tres formaggi pizza, which basically means 3 cheese pizza in Italian. Tapos yung kanilang Christmas themed pizza. And grabe guys, I have no words. Ang sarap ng pizza. You can take my word for that, as in, I will vouch for this any time of the day. Tapos, lalo pa siyang sumasarap kapag nilalagyan itong spicy honey. But, the star for me was their tomato basil pasta served in a pizza bowl. Yup. The bowl is made out of pizza crust, so like after finishing your pasta, you can just literally eat the bowl. Sobrang genius nung nakaisip nito. And speaking of genius, they also have this super fun game like if you can guess the exact weight in grams of their Basque cheesecake, guys, you get it for free. Sobrang funny nga kasi I guessed it like 32 grams and the answer was actually 34 grams, 'di ba? Like 2 grams away. Libre na. So, yeah, I guess overall, RUG Coffee Shop and Pizzeria is such a nice spot. You know, great food, great vibe, and probably even greater kapag masaya yung mga kasama mo. So, ayun, kung malapit ka sa Malolos, you guys need to check them out. Kita kits?